बच्चों, how you all? I hope you all are doing fine. So let's start the chapter simple present tense. What do you know about simple present tense? Okay, so simple present tense is used to refer to a habit, फैक्ट और सिंपल ट्रुथ. जब हम किसी सच के बारे में बात करते हैं या किसी के हैबिट के बारे में बात करते हैं या कोई फैक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं, जैसे द सन राइजेस फ्रॉम द ईस्ट, ये फैक्ट है, राइट. सो इस तरह से हम उन सेंटेंसेस को प्रेजेंट टेंस में रखते हैं, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. लुक एट द सेंटेंसेस. द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन, ये फैक्ट है, right? And the stars twinkle in the sky, this is also the fact. And Dhoni plays well, right? And I write with left hand. तो ये हमने क्या किया, हमने उनको जो ट्रूथ है, जो हैबिट है मेरी, मैं लेफ्ट हैंड से लिखती हूँ या राइट हैंड से लिखती हूँ, जो फैक्ट है या ट्रूथ है वो हमने मेंशन कर दिया प्रेजेंट टेंस में. सो प्रेजेंट टेंस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस: डिक्लेरेटिव ऑब्लिक स्टेटमेंट, he, she, it, oblique name, singular plus s or es in verb, and I, we, you, they plus plural plus present tense of verb, present form of verb, and examples. For example, he sings nicely, I sing sweetly. So with he I am using s, right, and with I am not using s. So I use s or es with he, she, it or any name only, right? Okay. So negative sentences: he, she, it, name singular plus does not plus present form of verb, I, we, you, they plural plus do not plus present form of verb. Examples: he does not dance well, they do not pray to God. Interrogative sentences: does plus he, she, it, name singular, the plus present form of verb plus question mark. Do plus I plus we, you, they plural plus present form of verb plus interrogation mark. So example: does he play cricket daily? Do you like burger? So these are the present tense sentences. These were the present tense sentences where you have learned how we can form them, how we can form the negative sentences, interrogative sentences, what is the structure of them. So now we will attempt the exercises. किस लिए करना है? प्रैक्टिस के लिए. So fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs given in the brackets. The planets dash around the sun in their orbital path. The planets revolve around the sun. Very good. क्योंकि planets plural है तो हम s और es तो नहीं लगा सकते क्योंकि हम तो singular के साथ लगाते हैं. तो revolve around the sun, right? Okay. B part: change the following sentences into negative and rewrite them. I love music. I don't love music. Very good. Okay. Likewise do all. And C, change the following sentences into interrogative sentences. Julie plays games on computer. Does Julie play games on computer? And question mark, right? Likewise do all and have fun. Enjoy.